guess what I found? I found the boxes of the grab bags. Now, I live on one side of the town, and that was the town that I went, or that was the store I went to, and they had those boxes. I did this video a couple days ago of what I got. But then we went to another side of town, and I'm like, I want to go to the Michaels and see what they have. So I'm pretty excited, and they had a whole cart full of boxes. So I'm just like, I want to grab a couple boxes. Now I have no idea what is inside these boxes. I can see like some stuff just on the sides, but otherwise I have no idea what I have. But I bought 4 of them. They're $4 a piece. So I'm here to show you guys an unboxing of what I got. So you'll have to stay tuned. Or not stay tuned. Let's just watch it right now. It's crazy. Okay. Don't spill it. Both hands. 2 hands, honey. Okay, let's just dig in and see what I got, because I'm pretty excited. Holy crap. Okay. This is awesome. This is awesome. So, it looks like I got some like pine needle or pine leaves or something like that. These were $2.99 a piece. They're very glittery, which is fine with me, so can't go wrong with that. It looks like I got Sensicles, which is white winter fur. It's scented ornaments. I do not like the smell of pine. My allergies get to me, so I will be giving these away for Christmas next year or something, but can't go wrong with that. I don't know how much. Yes, honey. I don't know how much those cost. Then I see a lot of things that say Joy Noel. I don't know. It just says Joy Noel, and there is a bunch of those in here. So I got 2 of them for sure. And these run $9.99 a piece. I got 2 of those. More Joy Noel. So I got 4 of those. I got one that says Happy Holidays. This is cute. I like this. I always have an ugly sweater party, so this would be perfect to put on the wall. And since I have so much of these, I might think of some weird words to come up with. And then there's like this big ornament, or, you know, a light. I'm sorry, you guys can't see it, but it's just like a light bulb. This was originally $14.99, so that's okay. You know, it's just made out of fabric. And there is still a ton of stuff in here. There's like an ugly sweater ornament. This was originally $6.99. Oh, these are cute. Awesome! I'm so excited! Okay, so I got some Shatterproof Ornaments. I got 3 different colors. It's like a blue, a pink, and then like a, I think they're both pink. No, one's like a pink and one's a coral. So these are originally $19.99. They'll say they're Shatterproof. Oh, I'm so excited. I ended up getting some hanging things that say Merry and Bright. These were originally $6.99. I got some, I wonder if these are Shatterproof. Yeah, Shatterproof, like, ornaments. It's weird how there's, like, one purple and then, like, the rest are, like, gold. But these were originally $14.99, so I got those. And then I got a, snowman, like, 3D structure. This was originally $9.99. And it says, like, Santa, and there's 2 of them in here. And then I got some, like, gift wrap. It's just, like, something that you wrap around a gift, and it says Merry Christmas on it. So I thought that was super cute. And then this is what I'm eyeing up. I got ribbon, extra wide ribbon. This is a snowflake ribbon with, like, a burlap. This was originally, I think, I don't even know how much this cost. I think this was, like, $10. Honestly, I don't remember what the price was. There's a bigger one. I'm sorry if I'm boring you guys. And I got a red one. So cute. This is so pretty. I can't wait to start thinking of stuff to make with these. And then I got extra wide ribbon. I got some like red little squares, and there is 2 of those in there. So that was what is in one box. One box, I got all that stuff. I think that was so worth it. So worth it. Like, I couldn't even see what I got in that box. Like, I just could barely see it. So, let me clear this box and I'll show you guys. Okay, next here is my second box. This one is not filled to the brim, but there's a lot of stuff in here. Look at that. So this is kind of what I was eyeing up last time. I don't even know what this, it's 200 feet, a ribbon. 200 feet, it's the gold ribbon. There is a ton of it. Oh my God, there is a ton of it. I don't know what I need with 200 rolls of ribbon, but I got 2 of them, so I got 400 rolls, or 400 feet of this gold ribbon. So I'm definitely gonna learn to make a wreath with that, and there is a ton of stuff in here. So I got some cookie cutters that says, like, you can make a thing that says follow. Oh, there's a stencil. Okay, so you got the cookie cutter, and then there's a stencil inside where you kind of like can paint or something like that. And I ended up getting 2 of them so I can give one to a friend. I got the letter U. It doesn't work, but hey, the letter U, I could figure out something to do with that. I got a little caroler. It says, oh, I forgot to tell you guys the prices for this stuff. This was $9.99, and then it doesn't say what the cookie cutters were, but the caroler is $5.99, so that's kind of cute. I got a Motel Keychain, originally $5. It says Chardonnay Vacay, Vineyard and Resort. It's just like a little room keychain. That's kind of cute. I kind of like that. I saw somebody else haul this too. Then I got this little, oh, it's a wood tag, so it's kind of like an ornament, but yeah, it just says from the North Pole, and this was originally $1.50. I got another one that says from Santa. Those are actually really cute. I like that idea. And this is what I like. This is what I love. Stickers, stickers, stickers. Oh my goodness. I got Santa's Workshop stickers. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of these. I know these cost $1. Yeah, these are $1. And there is just tons of stickers. Oh my goodness. I love it. So that right there, you know, is worth it. And then I got 2 Santa from the North Pole. So these are foam crafts kits. This is something I was actually eyeing up in the beginning of Christmas time because I thought this would be a great thing to have my son write to Santa. And there is 12 of them in here, so over the next couple years we can definitely do that. I got these wood signs. Now I was looking at making a craft project with these, but these are just a wooden postcard. These were $1.50 originally, but this says eat, drink, and repeat, so I think that's kind of cute. I got some football ornaments, and then I got tons of these tags. Holy crap. I got 3 more of those eat, drink, and repeat, and then I got, these are kind of dirty, but whatever, some foam shapes of like a Santa, or a Christmas tree with some stars. I got a letter F for fun. I can't think of the thing. This was originally $4.99, and then I got buttons, yeah. But I got all these tags. Merry Christmas, a very happy holiday, no peeking until Christmas from Santa, homemade goodness for you, very Merry Christmas, and a gift from someone special. So these were super cute. I'm glad I got a bunch of them. So that was in my second box, you guys. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. I know I'm not trying to bore you guys, but I got some really great things for not knowing what I was getting. Like my last haul, I was kind of disappointed, but I don't know. I mean, this ribbon right here made up for it. I would totally pay $4 for both of those rolls. So, in that store I went to, they say they do boxes all the time. They never do bags. So, guess where I'm going the next time they have a grab bag. So let's see what box number 3 is. Okay, opening box up number 3. It's weird. Some of these were taped really well, and some of them were barely even taped at all. And oh my goodness, pretty excited to see what this is. This is filled to the brim again. But look at that. Would you guys look at that? So I'm just going to put this to the side over here. I'm left-handed, but it's kind of weird. They gave me a ton of calendars of kittens. Oh yeah, I absolutely love cats. Don't Die Paris. I love my Princess Paris. So these are super cute. I love calendars like this because I put one on the fridge with certain things, but you can't go wrong. These were each $1.50, so I got 4 of them. Can't go wrong with kittens. I have a friend who's obsessed with kittens, so I can give her one. I got another one. This is a little bit bigger. This is Happy Holidays. Originally $9.99. I got another one that says Merry Christmas. These are super cute. I love glitter and I love decorating for the holidays. So we got that. Another one that says Happy Holidays for $9.99. Oh, there's just so much stuff in here. Happy Holidays. Happy Holidays. There's more calendars. A Colorful World. Psalms. Or I think I'm saying that correctly, but got some more calendars. And then it looks like I got a bunch of like poinsettias. Okay, this is what I'm disappointed in. But I got a bunch of these like poinsettias, so there's a bunch of those flowers. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Oh, okay. Simple Silhouettes, a photo frame calendar. That's kind of cute. So I got Simple Silhouettes, so it's got like butterflies and stuff. Black and lime. Another black and lime and another silhouette. So these were $1.50 also. Got more of those sensicles. And then I got another ribbon. Another ribbon. I got these trees again. This is what I got my first haul. There's 2 of them in here. I'm not going to pull them out because they make a big mess. But I got another ribbon. And I got a stamper that says 8 nights, 8 lights. And then I got one more ribbon. So that one was all in the 3rd box of mine. So let me show you guys what is in the 4th and final box. Sorry this is a long video. I'm just super excited for all the stuff that I got. So let's open number 4. The last and final box. This one was actually barely even taped. I mean, it just had one thing of tape on here, so it kind of obviously was open, but I kind of looked through it and I was pretty excited, you know, to see what I got. So I saw these originally and I thought, this is what I want. So I got more of these, you know, to Santa Claus North Pole. So I got 2 of those. I got like a little house and it looks like it says it lights up. I don't know where it lights up at. Lights up. Okay, well I don't know where it lights up at unless there's something on the bottom. But we got like a little house, little hut. I think that's super cute.
That lights up in the dark.
Yes, it does. I got a toy shop. That is super cute. This one there is a switch on it. It doesn't work. Oh, the tab's still in it. But I got like a little house. This was originally
Santa's too big.
Yeah, this was originally $16.99. Both of these were $16.99.
I want to put it in
Yep,
the
just
dark.
give me a second, sweetie. I got a bakery.
The bakery.
Yeah, the bakery. This was $9.99. You get donuts from the bakery, remember?
Yeah, I want to try that.
I got a cute front door.
Paris doing.
Paris is being silly. $7.99. I got another door. This was $9.99. I actually like that door. I think that's really cute. I got a Elf Pets outfit for Elf on the Shelf.
That's like a door.
It is like a door. I got a Hanukkah wreath. I think that's kind of cute.
That's like pretty.
Yep, that's kind of pretty. Yeah. So that's a pretty wreath right there.
Christmas tree.
This was originally.
That's a Christmas tree.
Yes, it was. This was originally $24.99.
Up there.
I got. Sorry, you guys. I got some drums. There's like a 3-pack of drums. Benjamin, can you stop talking for a second? I got another door. This is originally, yeah, $9.99. Those are drums. So there's, I don't know if you guys can see it, but we got that one. More drums.
More drums.
Yeah. More cookie cutters. I'm gonna give one of these to.
Cookie cutters.
More cookie cutters. I'm gonna give those to a friend.
I want to make a cookie.
This is what I'm excited about. Is these?
That's like pretty.
Ben, stop talking. These are little candy canes, and you can make chocolates or candies with it. So I got both of them are candy canes.
What is
They
this?
both. Oh.
They're candy cane.
Yeah, so both of them are candy canes, which is fine with me. I think these are super cute, and I love this silicone stuff. These were originally $9.99. I have a friend I'm giving some of this stuff to.
Oh, what is this?
So giving a
What
friend
is
some of this. And then I got some cookie cutters. It looks like they're 4-pack for $6.99. It is a Christmas tree, a snowflake, a star, and a gingerbread. So we got 2 of those. So that was what was in that box. It actually turned out to be a better box than what I thought it was going to be. I was pretty excited for everything that I got. And again, I only paid $4 for each of these boxes. And some of this stuff, you know, I could resell it and probably get my money back. But you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with a deal like that. So definitely check your guys' stores. Like I said, I've never seen, or I never said this, but my last time I did this video, I've never seen these in my store, and then they finally started getting them. It just depends on how busy of an area you live in. I mean, I live in a town where there's 2 of them, but you never know what you can find. But I'm definitely going to go back to that store when they have the summer stuff or Easter stuff and definitely get more grab bags. I am super stoked about that stuff. But if you guys enjoyed this long video of me unboxing my grab bags or grab boxes from Michael's, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys enjoy.
I want this, Mom.
And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.